Hello and welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so glad you're joining us today as we embark on a journey together, a journey toward a healthier, happier you. We understand that navigating the world of nutrition can feel overwhelming, with so much conflicting information out there. Today, we're cutting through the confusion of nutrition. We'll help you decipher those complicated labels and sift through the endless stream of diet books, articles, and opinions. Our goal is to provide you with clarity and empower you to make informed choices, to help you find the diet that fits your life. Because let's face it, the best diet isn't about restriction or deprivation. It's about finding a sustainable and enjoyable way of eating that nourishes your body and supports your overall well-being. We'll break down 3 popular approaches: ketogenic, focusing on high-fat, low-carbohydrate intake; paleo, which emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods similar to what our ancestors ate; and plant-based, a diet centered around fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. No hype, just clear facts backed by scientific research and nutritional guidelines. Real meal examples showing you practical and delicious ways to incorporate these diets into your daily life, and the pros and cons of each. We'll weigh the benefits and drawbacks, helping you understand the potential impact on your health and lifestyle. You'll see what a day of eating looks like for each style. We'll provide sample meal plans to give you a concrete idea of what each diet entails. We'll also help you reflect on your own habits and goals. Understanding your personal needs and preferences is crucial for long-term success. The perfect diet is the one you enjoy and can stick with. It's about creating sustainable habits that support your health and happiness for years to come. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. By the end, you'll be equipped to choose your path forward, armed with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions about your nutrition and well-being. Chapter 1. Fueling with Fats. Let's dive into the world of dietary approaches, and first up we have the ketogenic diet, a nutritional strategy that has gained significant popularity in recent years. It's a diet that requires careful consideration and understanding. Keto for short. It's a term you'll hear often when discussing low-carb, high-fat eating plans. Keto swaps carbs for healthy fats, fundamentally changing the way your body fuels itself. This shift in macronutrient ratios is the cornerstone of the diet, pushing your body into fat-burning mode, called ketosis. This metabolic state is where your body starts using fat as its primary energy source instead of glucose from carbohydrates. Your meals focus on avocados, a fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats; olive oil, another staple for its beneficial fats and antioxidants; nuts providing healthy fats, fiber and essential nutrients; fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, rich in omega-3 fatty acids; meats, prioritizing grass-fed and high-quality sources; and low-carb veggies like spinach and broccoli, which offer essential vitamins and minerals without the carbohydrate load. You'll skip bread, a significant source of carbohydrates in many diets; pasta, another carbohydrate-rich staple to avoid; rice, a common side dish that's high in carbohydrates; potatoes, a starchy vegetable that's limited on keto; most fruits due to their natural sugar content; and anything sugary. These are off-limits to maintain ketosis. Many people see weight loss and better blood sugar, which can be beneficial for certain individuals, but the strict rules can be tough. Adhering to such a restrictive diet requires discipline and careful planning. The keto flu can make you feel tired at first, as your body adjusts to using fat for fuel. And eating out is tricky. Navigating restaurant menus can be challenging when trying to stick to a ketogenic diet. Keto takes planning and commitment. Meal prepping and careful tracking are often necessary for success. Always check with your doctor before making big changes. It's crucial to ensure that the ketogenic diet is safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Is keto's high-fat, low-carb approach right for you? It's a question worth exploring with your healthcare provider to determine if it aligns with your health goals and overall well-being. Chapter 2. Eating like our ancestors. Next, the Paleo Diet. Think eating like our hunter-gatherer ancestors. Paleo is all about whole, unprocessed foods. Lean meats, fish, eggs, fruits, veggies, nuts and seeds. No grains, legumes, dairy, refined sugar, or processed foods. Imagine a grilled chicken salad with walnuts and olive oil. Simple, real food. Paleo can boost energy and cut out junk, but skipping dairy and legumes means missing some nutrients. It can also be pricier and takes meal planning. Paleo is less about counting carbs or fat, more about food quality. Does this back-to-basics approach fit your lifestyle? Chapter 3. Harnessing the power of plants. Let's explore the world of plant-based diets, a way of eating that's gaining popularity for its health benefits and environmental impact. Now, the plant-based diet is primarily centered on foods derived directly from plants. It emphasizes whole, unprocessed options whenever possible. This includes a wide array of fruits, from berries and melons to tropical delights. Each fruit offers a unique set of vitamins and antioxidants. And of course, veggies, leafy greens, root vegetables, and everything in between. They're packed with essential nutrients and fiber. We also have whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, along with nuts, seeds, and legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These provide sustained energy and plant-based protein. Some individuals who embrace this lifestyle go fully vegan, excluding all animal products, while others include eggs or dairy in their diet, or simply focus on eating mostly plants while occasionally incorporating animal products. It's all about finding what works best for you. Meals are often incredibly colorful and varied, showcasing the natural beauty of plant-based ingredients. Think lentil curry, a flavorful and satisfying dish, or a vibrant quinoa salad with roasted veggies, offering a delightful mix of textures and tastes. By prioritizing plant-based foods, you'll naturally enjoy lots of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, contributing to overall well-being. And research has consistently linked plant-based diets to a lower risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes, making it a heart-healthy and diabetes-friendly choice. However, it's important to be mindful of certain nutrients. You'll need to plan for nutrients like B12, which is primarily found in animal products. Also, ensure adequate intake of iron and omega-3 fatty acids, which can be obtained from plant sources with careful planning. One of the great things about plant-based eating is that it's incredibly flexible and adaptable to your individual needs and preferences. Plus, it can be surprisingly budget-friendly, especially when you focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are in season. Ultimately, it's about embracing abundance, not restriction, and celebrating the incredible diversity of the plant kingdom. So, is a plant-powered plate calling your name? Is this a lifestyle that resonates with your values and health goals? Let's delve deeper and see how a plant-based approach stacks up for you, exploring its benefits, potential challenges, and practical tips for success. So, which diet fits you best, keto, paleo, or plant-based? Think about your favorite foods, your schedule, and your budget. Keto is great for those who love fats and want quick results, but it's strict. Paleo is about whole foods and simplicity, but can be costly. Plant-based is flexible, heart-healthy, and eco-friendly, but needs careful planning. The best diet is the one you can enjoy and sustain. Mix and match principles if you like. This is your journey. Thanks for joining me. Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Here's to your healthiest self. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video!